Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited brand accounts on your Gmail. So let me quickly show you what I mean by unlimited brand account. This is unlimited YouTube brand account. As you can see, I have unlimited here, almost 100. So this kind of limited account, you can use it for your YouTube watch time. So let me quickly show you how to go about it. So the first step you need is you need your Gmail account. So after you create your Gmail account, or you have I will advise you to use old Gmail. I think that one is the best. So for Google not to suspend the account. So after you create your mail, or you have an old Gmail, like 1 to 2 years old Gmail, so what you need to do is, let me quickly show you how to go about this. You can head on to youtube.com. Firstly, you have to sign in your mail to the system, to your browser, I mean. So when you sign your Gmail account to your browser, you have to create account on it. So after then, you click here. Then you scroll down. Let's go to settings. So this is settings. It says YouTube account. As you can see, this is YouTube account. So you click on add or manage your channel. So after then, you scroll down. It is going to bring on all the channel you have. As you can see, this is the channel I have. So if I want to create another channel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create a channel. It says you have reached the number of brand accounts, which means I've created like 100. So let me quickly use another mail here. So let me quickly go to youtube.com. Let me quickly go to youtube.com. So I want to create another brand account so that you guys can understand how to create this unlimited brand account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on this. I'm waiting for it to load. So I'm going to perform the same thing. I'm going to click on settings. I'm going to click on create a new channel because I don't have channel on this account. So I want to name the channel a random name. So I'm going to click it. I'm going to click on create. So for the first step, is going to allow me to create account for free. So but in the second step, is going to be asking for verification. So as you can see, it says this channel doesn't exist. So when you go back to youtube.com/account, so let's go back to youtube.com/account. As you can see, this is the channel we created. Now let's try to create unlimited brand accounts now without phone number. So when I click on this add or manage your channel, you see I only have this. So let me click on create a channel. So let me quickly use name. You click on agreed. You click on create account. So it's going to bring on a page, which is sign up page for you to enter your country. And okay, now this, I think this created. Yeah, this created. So let's try the third one now. So let's go back to settings. Making two we have created now. Let's click on add or manage. So we have created two brand accounts. Let's create a channel. Let's create a random. Let's click on create. So I'm waiting for it to load. Now it's created also. Okay, so let's go back again. Making three we have created and we want to create like 100. So let's click on settings. Let's click on how to manage your channel. So let's click on create a channel. So let me use another name. You accept. Click on create. So it's a mistake. How to manage your channel. Create a channel. So let's use a name. I understand. Create. Now it works. Let's go again. Settings. How to manage your channel. So we have created like 2, 4, 5, 6. Let's click on create a channel again. Let's create a name. Accept and create. It works. So let's go again. So let's try to create another. Create a channel. Use a name. So let's use another name. So after we create some, it's going to be asking us to verify with our number. So in that scenario, we are going to be using our number. So let me quickly add another. So this is what I'm going to do to make it faster. Let's click on how to manage channel. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to open a new tab. 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 And I'm going to open a new tab. So let me quickly do this. So I'm going to use another name here. Create. Now it asks for verification code. As you see, I'm in Nigeria now. So what I'm going to do is, this is the secret. Just scroll down, find Pakistan. When you see Pakistan, copy this number. You copy. You paste. Now you can be changing the last 4 digits. You see I have 7150. I can change it to 5000. So when you click on continue, it's not going to ask you for verification. If it doesn't work, change the number to 2. Continue. So click on understand, create. So you'll be using Pakistan number. It works. Let's go to another. So create. Refresh the page. Okay, let's go back. So that's great. It works. So let's go to another. So you are going to be using the Pakistan number and you have to be changing the number. So let me click on it again. So let me click on it. Use the number. You can change it to 11. Click on continue. You see, it's redirecting, which means it works. So that's how you are going to be doing it one by one. So you go to the next one, you create the brand account, you click on accept, you click on create. You change the number to Pakistan. So you change the number, you can put here, you can put 2. You click on continue. You see it works. So that's how you are going to go about it. So you can open a lot of tabs and try to change the number. So let's see the brand account we have. So let's see it. As you can see, we have created like almost 16 brand accounts. So that's how we are going to go about it. So guys, that's all about today's video. If you like my video, smash the like button. If you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because I'll be dropping free updates on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell, so in case of any time I'm making a new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.